How to audio call someone on Zangi app. Are guests facing issues to audio call or contacts on Zangi app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Zangi app on your mobile device. If you don't know how to download Zangi app on your mobile device, then make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now select the contact that you want to audio call. After you select it, look at the top of your screen where you can see the option for call, video and chat. If you want to audio call, then just simply tap on call. As soon as you click on call, audio call will be made on Zangi application. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna audio call someone on Zangi application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.